Welcome back. We are doing problems on integers. So in today's class, the first problem is represent the following additions on a number line. Now we have 5 plus 7, right? So what is 5 plus 7? It is normally if we add, it is 12. So now we represent this 5 plus 7 on a number line. So we draw a number line. So this is 0 we have. As we have only a positive side, what I do is I just take 0 over here. Anywhere you can take, I take here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, any numbers you can write. Now first we are starting with 5, right? So 5, start from 5 plus 7. So what you do, you count the 7 from 5, you start and counting the number 7 till 7 steps you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 to 7. This is 7 steps. So it is 5 plus 7 is 12. So as we are starting from 5, the origin is nothing but a 0. So you can also, whenever we have a 5, as we are representing in a number line from 0 to 5, always start represent 0 on a number line. So 0 to 5 and 5 to 7. So what is 5 plus 7? 12. Or else just start from 5 to 12. That is also right. If you are starting with 5, we need 7. So count 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So put one arrow. We are starting from 5 and going to 12. So this is that arrow. So we represented on a number line. So that is over. Now we will go to the second one. Second one is what? 5 plus 2. So what is 5 plus 2? It is 3. So we draw one more number line for that. So 0, 1, 2, sorry, 5 plus 2 is not 3, I am very sorry, it is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 5 plus 2, just we need 5, then jump 2 steps, it goes to 7. So this is a way of representing number line. So we are starting with 5. So just put, always take from origin, 0. So 0 to 5 and 5 to 7. So 5 plus 2, 7. Right? That is over. Now we have the third one. Okay. So this is the second one and this is the first one and now the third one. Now in case of third one, we have a negative and positive. See, generally 5 plus into minus is minus. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now here we have a positive and a negative. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now 5. This is 5. Right? And it is minus 2. As it is minus 2, just come to the left. 2 steps you move to the left side. So 5 minus 2. Sorry, 5 minus 2 steps. This is 2 steps. So this comes here. Okay. 5 minus 2 is 3. So now as we always move from origin, so just draw one more line like this. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Right. So this is over. Then after that we have 5 plus of minus 7. Plus into minus is minus. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So here we represent in a number line. So from 5 you have to move 7 steps, right? No problem. So I just take from minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some numbers I took. Now 5. Start with 5. As it is a negative side, move to the left. Count 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the arrow is 5 to -2. So always the reference is from the 0. Just draw like this. So 0 to 5, then we are coming 5 minus 7. So 5 minus 7 is -2. So it comes under -2. So next problem. Compute the following. Right. See, before doing this calculations, what we do is we have some basic fundamental operations, that is, see, plus into plus is plus, right? When you multiply two positive numbers, we'll get the result as positive, or when you multiply two negative numbers, we'll get the result as positive. Minus into minus, plus. Now suppose if you multiply the opposite signs, plus into minus, it is minus, and minus into plus is minus, right? So these are the fundamentals you have to know. Now using this, we'll do this problems, right? 7 plus 4, so it's very simple, both are positive. 7, what is the sign for 7? You have to refer to the left side. You don't have any sign, so it is plus. For 4, it is plus, left side. So plus into plus is plus. So 7 plus 4 is 11, right? Now the next one, so here we have 8 plus of minus 3. So plus of minus 3. So we need to multiply and we have to make it as a single sign. So 8. What is plus into minus? It is minus, right? What is 8 minus 3? It is 5, right? The next one. So here both are negative integers. 11 plus 3 is 14, plus 14. Then it is 14 plus into minus is minus. 14 minus 6 is 8. So the bigger number is 14. It is having plus sign. So it is plus 8. Then after that, 9 plus into minus is minus. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then after that, 14 plus into minus is minus. 14 minus 10 is 4. After that, 13 plus into minus is minus. So 13 minus 15. So what you do, 13 minus 15. Instead of doing 13 minus 15, you can do 15 minus 13. 15 minus 13 is 2. After that, what you do, which is a bigger number, you see. The bigger number is 15, it is having minus sign. So put minus sign. So it is minus 2. Then after that, 4 plus into minus is minus. 4 minus 4 is 0. Remember, 0 is neither negative nor positive. So just you write 0, don't put any sign for 0. Then after that, 10 plus into minus is minus. 10 minus 2 is 8. So here the bigger number is 10. It is having positive sign. No sign for 10. That means it is understood to be positive. So it is plus 8. Okay, don't put any sign. Then after that, 100 plus into minus is minus. 100 minus 80 is 20. So here the bigger number is 100. It is having no sign. It is understood to be positive. No sign means we don't have any sign here. So it is understood to be plus. So it is plus 20. Then after that, 225 plus into minus is minus. So subtract 225 minus 145. It is 0. 12 minus 4, 8. Right? So we get 80. So 225 is a bigger number. It is having positive sign. So it is plus 80. Right? So this is completed. So next problem. Solve the following. Right? So now first I write, see, it is 17 minus of minus 14. So 17 plus 14. 7 plus 4 is 11 and it is 31, right? Then after that we have 13 minus into minus plus. So 13 plus 8 is 21, right? Then after that we have 19 minus into minus plus. 19 plus 5 is 24. Okay. Now we have 15 minus 28. So what you do 28 minus 15. So 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. after writing which is a bigger number, 28, it is having minus sign, so put minus sign. Okay, then after that 25 minus 33, so what we do, 33 minus 25, 13 minus 5, 8, 2 minus 2, 0, so we get 8. But in these two, which is a bigger number, 33, so it is having minus sign, so put minus sign. Answer is minus 8. Okay, then we have 80, minus into minus, plus, so 80 plus 50, it is 130. Okay, so 80 is a bigger number, it is having plus sign, so plus 130. Now we have 150 minus 75, so subtract these two, we get 75. The bigger number is 150, it is having plus sign, so plus 75. Then we have 32 minus of minus 18, so 32 plus 18, so we add this, 8 plus 2, 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, we get 50. So 32 is positive, so it is plus 50, right? Next one, express minus 6 as difference between a negative integer and a whole number. So here we take whole number, that is a positive number, and a negative integer. Difference means we have to subtract those two, the result should be minus 6. So we give some examples. In that, one of the example is, see, minus 4 is a negative integer, difference means minus, I am taking whole number as 2, I am assuming these two. So minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. This is one example. We can give one more example. To get minus 6, what I do is, I take minus 6 and 0. 0 is a whole number. Minus 6 minus 0 is nothing but minus 6. So the third example is, we can give minus 5 and minus 1. Minus 5 is a negative integer, 1 I am taking it as a whole number. Subtract these two, we get minus 6. Minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Next problem. Represent the following subtractions on a number line. So 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. We have to represent it on a number line. So we draw a line. Say we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and take one more, 8. Now on this number line, 7 minus 2. See, from 7 you start. As it is minus, move towards the left. So how many steps we have to move? 2 steps. So that is 1, 2. So this is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Right? Now generally we start with 7. Okay, so 7 minus 2 is 5. This is completed. Now the next one is 8 minus of minus 7. So in general, minus into minus is plus. 8 plus 7, 15. Draw one number line. So all are positive integers. So what I will do is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now see, 8 minus into minus is plus. 8 plus 7, 15. So what we will do is 8 is here. So 8 is here. So minus into minus is plus. So 8 plus 7. So move towards 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a representation of 8 minus of minus 7. So 8 minus of minus 7 is plus 15. Next problem. 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is, it is minus 4. So we write on a number line -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 minus 7. So from 3, as it is negative, we move towards the left side 7 steps. Move left side 7 steps. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So this is 3 minus 7. So this is completed. Then after that we have 15 minus 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. Okay. So 15 minus 14. So just move 14 steps back. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 comes to 1. So this is 15 minus 14. Right. So this is completed.